Redefine design and create your very own fashion statements with Dreamzone's School of Fashion Design. Dreamzone offers fashion designing courses ranging from certificate, diploma, master diploma and professional courses. Our courses provide thorough training in fashion CAD software, design and illustration, product presentation, fashion management and merchandising. Our student skills are exhibited in an annual fashion extravaganza, Vibes 360 Degrees, a platform created solely for student designers to showcase their creations. With experienced faculties and up-to-date technology, our programs are styled to equip you with the right skills that stir your creativity. Enroll now and get a chance to work on fashion projects and designers around the world. To know more, step into Dreamzone